Hey everyone, my name is Jacob Tifo. I'm with Alpha Omega Rocketry. As the name and the description describes, this is a channel intro. Throughout this new channel, we hope to explore the projects and exploits of Alpha Omega Rocketry. We hope to provide some of the most fun, cool, and educational videos out there. I know that's a tall order, but nevertheless, that will always be our goal. Throughout the videos, we will be working through many projects. The first I'd like to actually introduce right here, right now. It is Project TVC, or Thrust Vector Control. Thrust vectoring is nothing new to model rockets, but we hope to be able to bring it down to a level that makes it simple and easy for anyone to get into it, novice or experienced model rocketeer. Throughout the series, we will be exploring many facets of data collecting, thrust vectoring, and also some other things like landing leg deployment, grid fin deployment, just many cool things. We also hope to add into it some historical articles and videos about rockets of the past, like the Saturn V or the V2. Also as well, maybe, as some of the new ones, like Falcon 9, Falcon Heavy, also Starship. There's just so much going on and so exciting in the realm of rocketry. But overall, Project TVC, we will be releasing many videos over the upcoming month, hopefully pretty soon here, that will go into detail about the thrust vector control mount, some of our initial tests for the project, and just constant updates on project progress. We hopefully are shooting for an initial launch sometime in July. We are very excited for that, and I just hope you will be along with us the entire way. I want to thank everyone for tuning in. If you would like to learn more about Alpha Omega Rocketry, you can click the link in the description or go to Alpha Omega Rocketry.Space. Again, thank you for tuning in. I want you all to have a nice day.